Benjamin. Benjamin, wake up. Benjamin. Ben. Hi, Dee Dee. Is that baby sleeping? Ben. Ben. Time to wake up. Good morning. Dee Dee, good morning.
Daddy, beep beep.
Daddy went to work in the beep beep, that's right. How are you doing this morning? Oh, ready to go, huh? You ready to get out of your bed? Should we get dressed for school? Hmm?
Go.
What?
Go, beep beep.
Oh, the beep beeps on your Kleenex? Do you want to go see those? Can you say hi?
Hi, baby.
Can you say hi to the camera?
Hi, Shama.
Hi, camera.
Dee.
Hi to Dee Dee. Where are we going to go today?
Chuck.
We're going to go in the truck. That's right. Are we going to go to school?
Beep beep.
Yep, we're going to go in the truck. Beep, beep to school.
Chuck, beep beep.
Should we get dressed?
No.
No, we should not get dressed? You know what? You're in luck because today's pajama day at school. What's on your pajamas?
Chuck.
Yeah, there's no trucks on your pants though, just on your shirt. Those are stripes. Where's the truck?
Chuck.
Where's your truck?
Chuck.
Your socks? Yeah. Alright, I think we're boring people to death. Can you say bye-bye?